The best things in life are the people we love. A home is the foundation for unforgettable memories you will create. Living life with the people you truly care about. It's about building spaces for you to escape the everyday, where you will find peace and tranquility. A place where you can watch your children grow up. Inside, a home is filled with different faces, different families, and different traditions. Family dinners, holiday celebrations, birthday parties. There's something so beautiful about taking a space so empty and watching your visions unfold. Love is your home. The beautiful smell of flowers, of comfort and peace, and of those who have become the sole reason you return, with hopes of trying all over again.